Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6 El Paso, Texas West. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly, free Wi-Fi, facilities for disabled guests and a 24-hour front desk. This Texas motel, located 12 miles from El Paso International Airport, features an outdoor pool. Rooms at Motel 6 El Paso West offer free Wi-Fi and expanded cable TV. Guest rooms provide refrigerators and telephones. El Paso Motel 6 offers guests laundry facilities, a business center, and a 24-hour front desk. Motel 6 is 2 miles from Airway Junction Shopping Center and El Paso Country Club. It is 4 miles from International Business College and 6 miles from McKelligon Canyon City Park. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.